In this video, I am going to show you how to create a sitemap in WordPress and submit it to Google Search Console. So you will be creating a sitemap like this and then submit here to Google Search Console. So log into your WordPress dashboard. I have already logged in. Then go to plugins, add new, and here search for yoast SEO. Here I have already installed this and activated this. If you haven't installed and activated this plugin, then first click on install and activate this plugin. Once you have installed and activated this plugin, just go toward the right side and it will show here SEO. Click on SEO, then in general, and here click on features, then scroll down and come to XML sitemaps. Click on this question mark, then click on see the XML sitemaps. Here it will show you an index of your sitemaps for your post sitemaps, your page sitemaps, your form maker, your post tags, for everything. First of all, you need to submit this general sitemap. Just copy this, select and copy this, then go to Google Search Console or simply type in Google Search Console in Google Search, hit enter, then click on this Google Search Console and then click on start now. This will bring you to this page. From here click on sitemaps and here just paste this half URL after slash, then click on submit. Here you can see sitemap has been submitted. Then you go back to your post sitemap. It will show you the list of all published posts. Just click this URL after slash and paste it here. Click on submit. Got it. In this way you can easily submit your XML sitemaps or to Google Search Console by using this plugin, which is very popular plugin, yoast by SEO by yoast or yoast plugin. Simply you can see its name here, yoast SEO. Just click on SEO general and from here click on features and then click on XML sitemaps and open them in new tab, and from here just copy these link from after slash and submit here. This is how very simply you can create sitemaps in WordPress and submit to Google Search Console. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Also hit bell notification icon on your mobile so that you don't miss any new video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.